In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete sheet in Excel. If your workbook has extra or outdated tabs, deleting a sheet is a quick way to clean things up and keep your file organized. A sheet, sometimes called a worksheet or tab, is the page where your rows and columns live. Each tab appears along the bottom of the Excel window. Before you remove one, take a second to confirm you're targeting the right sheet, especially if it contains important data or formulas that other sheets might reference. Start by moving your mouse to the bottom of the Excel window and finding the tab you want to remove. Click it once, so it's active. Now, open the shortcut menu for that tab. On a mouse, that's a right click. On a touchpad, a two-finger click usually does the same thing. If you're on a device that doesn't have a traditional right click, try holding a modifier key like Control while you click the tab. This opens a small menu tailored to that specific sheet. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Delete and click it. Excel will usually ask you to confirm, especially if the sheet contains data. That prompt is there to prevent accidental changes because deleting a sheet removes the entire tab and everything on it, including charts, tables, and formatting. If you're confident, confirm the deletion. The tab will disappear right away, and Excel will switch your view to one of the remaining sheets in the workbook. A quick note on safety. If you change your mind immediately, you can typically undo right after deleting, as long as you haven't saved and closed the file. However, once the workbook is saved and reopened, that deletion can't be undone. If other sheets had formulas pointing to the deleted sheet, those references will show errors afterward. It's a good idea to glance at any summary sheets or dashboards to make sure everything still calculates as expected. If you don't see delete, or it's grayed out, there are a couple of common reasons. Excel requires at least one sheet per workbook, so you can't remove the last remaining tab. Also, in some cases, a workbook may be protected or shared in a way that restricts structural changes, which hides or disables the delete command until those protections are lifted. When you're done, save your workbook to lock in the changes. That's all there is to it. Right-click the Sheet tab, choose Delete, confirm, and you're done. Keeping only the sheets you need makes your file leaner, easier to navigate, and less error-prone.